Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to do is try out doing a bottle pour, but using resin. I've seen it done a few times using acrylic paint, but I've not seen it done using resin. Now I've got this bottle, but I am going to cut it down a little bit further because I don't really think it needs to be quite as tall as that. So I'm going to go to about there and cut it down. That's going to go in the middle there, and I'm going to pour my resin over that, and then once it's poured over that, I don't know whether it's going to do anything or not. It might do because these little ridges. I'm then going to give it a bit of a move around on here and let it cure up. Now, I'm using a canvas board here, and a lot of people who always comment to me saying, why do you use canvas boards? They warp and they bow and they do all sorts of things. Well, I use canvas boards, firstly because they're dirt cheap. You can get loads for nearly nothing. Secondly, I feel that they're a great, already really well primed colour on them. They're very solid, and when I finish them, I've done it, I've shown on a few videos before, I actually put a wooden frame on the back and that stops them bowing, and it's still cheaper than a canvas or buying a piece of hardboard, and it's a lot lighter as well. It doesn't weigh a ton when you try and hang it up or do something with it.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay.
Well, this picture's all finished now and it's nice and cured. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not when I first did it, but now it's done, I really do like it. I think it's quite ethereal. The lights are flat lighting it up at the moment, so it's quite difficult for it to fully see. There we go, that's got a few less reflections in it. I love the tones and I love the colours. Again, there is a few reflections on it, but again, these aren't really the colours that I would normally choose, but I do like it. I didn't put any gold in it, which is unlike me. I don't think I did. Red, white, black and blue. Yeah, red, white, black and blue I used in it. It didn't really work with the bottle. I don't think the grooves were deep enough in the bottle to allow the thick resin to run through them, so it just ended up pouring over them. But overall, I'm really pleased with it. What I did do is I forgot to cover it last night and I left the fan on, and the fan draws through air to circulate air in this room, and it did get a few bits of dust on, so there's a good piece of advice. Always cover your work with something. If you've enjoyed this video, please boot the like button. It really does help my videos to get out there. And if you want to get hold of anything that I've used today, then the links for that, as well as the links to buy me a coffee, if you'd like to buy me a coffee, it's much appreciated, are in the description below. Take care, enjoy your resin, bye.